What's up, guys? Welcome to the Mobula 6 review. Let's get into it. So I got this a few days ago.
RF signal low.
I got 28 minutes of flight time on it. First battery, I didn't like it. Second battery, I didn't like it. I don't like it.
Signal low.
So I said, okay, first and foremost, I wanted to do a review with everything stock. Then I said, I changed my rate. I have disabled accelerometer.
RF signal low.
I'm flying in acro. That did help a lot. Also, D-Shot 300, 8K, everything is stock except my rates.
1 minute.
And it took me a time to get used to it. Also, I don't like tri-blades. I personally see a huge difference. So I really love quad blades. So I changed that. I had vibration when I put the 4-blade on punch out, and I did that piece of foam under the canopy. Do I look like a guy who wants to put a piece of foam under his canopy? Nope. With my regular 260 milliamp battery, I fly under 3 minutes. And no, I did not change I didn't try new Better Flight, the latest one. This is 4.0.6.
2 minutes.
And I did not put the G ESC or the Jazz ESC or another one I know about. I want to flight stock. Now, for some reason, I'm flying really good in this video. And I'm talking at the same time. So don't ask me why, but I'm not going super fast. Also, when I change my rates, I have another tiny whoop, 0603, 16,000 kV. And even the rates on this guy are a little bit slow. My rates are really slow, 400 degrees per second. But on this setup, I'm not able to get the proper lines. But I need more flight time, I guess.
3 minutes.
So 3 minutes, and I'm using, what I can tell you I like is those batteries. The batteries that they come with the kit are actually really good. They beat my brand new GNB, my lipo, and Pulse battery. Those are all my favorite 3 batteries. These guys are 300, they're thicker than the 260, but damn,
signal low.
they're really good. I'm really surprised. And the pigtail on the FC is so short that it pushes my battery at the very front. So, what else? Now, I don't know what's going on, but I don't fly like this. No, there you go, that's more my style. Oh.
minutes.
1 second. There's something important I want to tell you.
0 volts.
And I'm going to show you what I mean. Something I really hate. So yeah, the battery like moves around. Okay, let's finish. Let's drain this battery. Okay? There you go. There you go.
Telemetry lost. Telemetry recovered.
My fat chart will record this. They're still blinking. I'm gonna get.
Telemetry lost.
So that was 4 minutes 4. Now, let's get serious. So what you saw is that when it goes below 3 volts, it shuts. Everything shuts down. The camera actually shuts down. The flight control seems to be still working because I still see the OSD, but the image gets all black. That's something I don't like. The frame is a copy of Beta FPV. It's not. I don't think it's authentic, genuine Beta FPV. It's a knockoff. That's my opinion because it doesn't look at all. So yeah, that pigtail is way too short. So when you plug in the battery, it pushes the battery at the very front. So it just pushes it. The runcam 3 is awesome. I got some RSSI warning, so I know exactly what I'm gonna do. So basically what you have to know, I bought this for 2 SKUs, right? 2 things on it. The FC, the Crazy Bee F4 Lite, which has the VTX built in, which is new, and the runcam Nano 3. That's it. I just bought that thing for those 2 items. And it took a very long time to get here from Banggood, and I should have ordered from a local dealer. He had everything in stock. So in a nutshell, this guy is my favorite Whoop. It's sort of new. I got this for a few weeks, and it runs all the latest and craziest RPM filtering with Jazz ESC. And what else? My filter are really low. I think they're not even there yet. There are none. I put the everything's tuned. This flies amazingly well. I just destroyed the camera, so that's why it's not working. But in a nutshell, this use 0603. This is 0802, 19,000 kV. I personally go way faster. I have better control. Everything of this setup is magical. And this one, well, I wanted to do a review of the stock thing before I take it apart. And basically, I will take these motors, these props, this frame, this canopy, and that's it. I'm gonna put a bigger pigtail, put a capacitor, and run the latest Betaflight, RPM filter, all the same thing as this guy. This was around 22 grams. So basically, I want a better camera and a better weight. That's it. So I'm doing this video just so I can take this apart and probably do a video of all the mods I'm gonna do. And this antenna for the RX, I will change that to a 64mm, I believe, to get better range. Because it's not normal that it beeps in my basement. I never had that issue, right? Except like one beta FPV 1S, the new one that came out, which is, I think that's an issue, hardware issue. But anyhow, it's not normal. And the VTX, I had no noise on it. It seems to be perfectly fine. So I didn't really like it out of the box with my rates, the vibration. Now for some reason I just flew extremely well in the video you just watched. Don't ask me why, but I'm at,
Welcome to
you'll see
OpenTX.
28 plus 4, so 32 in 8 seconds. So only have 32 minutes of flight time on this guy. So obviously give me more time, I'll feel more comfortable. And yeah, but I do know that with this guy I fly faster. I should count my lap time, but I do fly faster. And smaller motors. These are 16,000 kV. Anyway, This, I believe, the hardware has a lot of potential, and the rest is just purely software. You can just make this thing. I'm pretty sure I can make this thing fly extremely well by just tweaking it the way I want. And overclocking, recently I've overclocked my Tiny Whoop. It runs, it's not supposed to run in, I should do my research before, but after you overclock, there's a command in CLI where you can actually see the CPU's usage of all the peripheral, so serial, OSD, gyros, all that stuff, and you're supposed to go below a number, but this I'm like near 100%, and it flies great. So I'll probably talk about that in the review of this guy. Anyway, 11 minutes. That's a wrap. Thank you very much for watching. Keep flying, and I'll see you with this guy, this modded version. Boom.